Imagine plunging into the inky darkness of the world's oceans. But not the oceans we know. We're rewinding the clock 100 million years, to a time when dinosaurs thundered across the land and, as new evidence now shows, giant squids reigned beneath the waves. Forget the mosasaur. Forget even the mighty shark. A groundbreaking study in the journal Science has uncovered more than 1,000 fossilized squid beaks, revealing that cephalopods weren't bit players. They were the super predators of the late Cretaceous. They may have outnumbered fish, eclipsed ammonites, and challenged anything foolish enough to drift into their tentacular grasp. Rollback plate tectonics. South America and Africa are sliding apart. An inland sea bisects North America. And atmospheric CO is sky high. Life in the ocean teems, but sunlight barely penetrates deeper waters. In this dim blue world, vision, speed, and brain power determine who lives and who becomes lunch. For decades, paleontologists struggled to piece together the squid story because soft tissue almost never fossilizes. What does survive? Their beaks, hard, chitinous, razor sharp. Yet those beaks are usually locked inside unforgiving limestone. Enter grinding tomography, a digital fossil mining technique wielded by researchers at Hokkaido University. Rock is planed down a micrometer at a time, while every layer is scanned in ultra-high resolution 3D. The result is a virtual excavation. No chisels, no broken specimens, just pristine data from a handful of sediment blocks. The team extracted the digital ghosts of over 1,000 cephalopod beaks, 263 of which belong to previously unknown squid species. Some beaks stretch wider than a human hand, hinting at predators as big as a modern swordfish. Others are delicate, needle-shaped daggers, proof of an entire food web stacked with squid at every tier. In both number and size, these ancient squids clearly prevailed. Translated, they were everywhere. And they were terrifying. Biomechanical estimates show muscular mantles, built for jet propulsion, gyro-stabilized fins, and a brain-to-body ratio unrivaled until mammals. This wasn't just another marine critter. This was a 360-degree hunting machine with parrot-like beaks capable of crunching shell, bone, and, yes, other squids. Cannibalism. Almost certainly. The beak census forces scientists to redraw late Cretaceous food webs. Picture layers, surface feeders, plankton-sifting fish, mid-water hunters, mosasaurs, plesiosaurs, and a legion of meter-long squids, deep-zone giants, colossal cephalopods hunting in twilight. Every tire shows squids elbowing competitors aside. Their abundance hints at extraordinary reproductive rates, while their size signals top predator status. If a mosasaur misjudged a juvenile squid swarm, it might become dinner, not diner. Conventional wisdom claimed squids bloomed only after the dinosaur-killing asteroid cleared ecological space 66 million years ago. But these fossils are 30 million years older. That means squids were thriving before the extinction, not merely surviving because of it. Their secret weapons, high speed, jet propulsion evolved early. High IQ complex nervous systems allowed learning and problem solving. High adaptability, 10 flexible arms, and to specialized tentacles gave reach and finesse no fish could match. Let's geek out for a moment. Grinding tomography functions like an MRI for rocks. Researchers grind a layer, photograph the exposed surface, and repeat hundreds of times. Software then stitches those images into a voxel-rich 3D map. Every fossil is catalogued in situ, its original orientation preserved. Why it matters: tiny remains are recovered intact, avoiding the big fossil bias. Researchers can run virtual dissections, measuring angles and textures invisible to the naked eye. All data are shareable, fostering open science atlases of ancient biodiversity. Modern squids display short-term memory, problem-solving skills, and chromatophore-driven camouflage. If their Cretaceous cousins shared even half that toolkit, they could coordinate pack hunts, outsmart slower reptiles, and exploit new niches overnight. Evolution selected for smarts long before mammals took the stage. Fast forward to 2025, giant squids still roam the depths, and smaller species fuel billion-dollar fisheries. The new study suggests their ecological dominance isn't a recent twist. It's their heritage. Protecting modern squid habitats may safeguard lineages that stretch back 100 million years. Guardianship of a dynasty other than flowering plants. Did the super-squids possess venom? How far did their soft bodies stretch past the beak? Why did some lineages vanish while others flourished into the present day? Grinding tomography has cracked open a vault, but every answer spawns 3 new questions. Future digs across Europe, North America, and Australia are already planned, each promising to reveal whether giant squids ruled globally or if regional megacephalopods co-evolved. Picture an ammonite spiraling lazily near the surface. From below, a shadow rockets upward. 8 arms flare to tentacles spear out, hooks locking onto shell ridges. A beak as strong as cast iron shears through calcium carbonate. One suction-powered retreat later, only a spinning spiral of shattered shell remains. Apex indeed. Associate Professor Dr. Yasuhiro Iba sums it up. These findings change everything we thought we knew about marine ecosystems in the past. When a single clade tears up our textbooks, we're reminded that paleontology is a living science, rewriting itself with every uncovered fossil pixel. Squids predate the dinosaur extinction as oceanic apex predators. Grinding tomography unlocks fossils once considered inaccessible. Intelligence and speed have been survival trump cards for 100 million years. Modern conservation isn't just about charismatic whales or corals. It's about brainy invertebrates with ancestral claims to the throne. Somewhere in the abyss right now, a descendant of those ancient titans is slicing through the dark, its eyes reflecting bioluminescent sparks, exactly as its ancestors did in the late Cretaceous. The more we learn, the more the past feels alive, and the more vital it becomes to guard the pulse of our oceans. Don't forget to subscribe to Dynamic Trends for more mind-blowing discoveries and trending stories from science, tech, and beyond. Check out the link in the description for 10 awesome Amazon products inspired by